This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility and updating the OS. This ensures feature APIs and model updates are present. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud Sync so context travels across devices. Make sure Siri, location, photos, and other permission toggles are enabled because Apple Intelligence uses those feeds. Then open Settings, find Intelligence, and enable it. Allow microphone and camera access when prompted. Doing this now avoids later permission conflicts and lets models access the personal data they need to be useful. Next, configure what Apple Intelligence can read and learn from, because its usefulness depends on targeted signals. You should explicitly choose Mail, Messages, Notes, and other apps to expose relevant content. Make this decision based on privacy versus capability. Then set personalization and processing preferences. Prefer on-device for sensitive data and cloud for heavier tasks. Also take a few minutes to label key contacts, create consistent folder structures, and teach shortcuts. These actions give the system better anchors so suggestions and Now put Apple Intelligence to work. Try prompts, accept or reject suggestions, and use feedback controls so the model learns your preferences. If outputs drift or fail, first toggle the feature off and on, then reset personalization settings. These steps often clear bad state. Make sure your device has a stable network and enough free space because sync and model updates need both. If problems persist, update the OS, clear caches, or rebuild Spotlight and app indexes. That usually restores accurate search, summarization, and contextual suggestions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.